Hello everyone and happy 25th birthday to SharePoint. It's been home for enterprise documents all this time, storing and securing millions of contracts worldwide. But contract review still takes time, and our goal was to extend SharePoint to make it faster, while staying completely inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Meet LegalLens, a SharePoint integrated AI assistant that helps legal teams upload, analyze and manage contracts, all directly inside SharePoint. WebPart supports full bleed, so it can work as a standalone full-page experience, like what we see here. And if we go to another site collection, it can also sit alongside other custom and out-of-the-box web parts such as department calendars, news feeds, custom dashboards. So legal team keeps the usual SharePoint workflow, and LegalLens fits right into their everyday operations. Across the top you can see 6 tabs: Library, Upload and Analyze, Classification, TranslatePro, e-signature and Alerts. Each covers a key part of the contract lifecycle. We'll go through each one right after we look at how LegalLens is set up and configured. If we check the WebPart properties here, what can be configured? You'll need to set up Azure AI Foundry endpoint and API key. This is where GPT-4 provides the analysis. Plus, document intelligence credentials for extracting text from uploaded documents. Some features can be independently toggled, translation and e-signature. If a team doesn't need them, they can simply be turned off right here in the properties. And we also have theming support, dark theme, light theme, or match your SharePoint site theme, so it fits into whatever environment you are deploying to. And now the functionality itself. On the Library tab, users can see all contracts that have been uploaded, with risk level, high, medium, low, and status already defined. The system automatically flags duplicate contracts based on similarity scoring. It also highlights dangerous clauses and high-risk liability terms, so the team doesn't have to catch these issues manually. From here, you can open any contract to see a detailed overview. You'll get information pulled from SharePoint metadata, plus the AI-generated part, risk factors showing which clauses triggered the score, and a full clause breakdown, which appear once the analysis is complete. There is also a chat option where users can ask questions about this specific document, things like termination terms or expiration dates, and get answers with citations pointing to the exact clause. The chat supports multiple languages. This is configurable and we'll cover it when we get to TranslatePro. So the legal team always knows where things stand without reading through everything. Let's check Upload and Analyze. This is where the analysis starts. Here you can either upload a new document, PDF, Word, even scanned images, or select an existing one from the library to rerun the analysis. Useful if a contract has been updated or if you want a fresh assessment. Let's upload a new document. Azure Document Intelligence extracts the text, even from scanned PDFs. Then GPT-4 segments it into clauses, evaluates risk patterns, checks for duplicates across existing contracts, and enriches the SharePoint metadata. The legal team immediately gets an understanding of whether this document needs special attention. What used to take 45 minutes now takes seconds, or not to be dramatic, like few minutes. On the Classification tab, unlike the broad analysis we saw in Upload, here we run specific targeted assessments. Let's select a document and go through each one, and first contract type classification. This identifies the document type, pulls out parties, jurisdiction, key clauses, and auto-tags the document. And there we go. So here we have jurisdiction, effective date, expiry date, we have auto-tags such as enterprise, consulting, cloud migration, technology, and no duplicates found. Let's go to compliance check. So we have here partial compliance. Some areas are fully compliant, others need attention. The system highlights exactly what's missing and tells you what to fix. And the last one, entity extraction. So, coming back to classification, once the results come back, all metadata syncs to the SharePoint list automatically, making contracts filterable, searchable, and Power BI ready. Next, TranslatePro. Here we have an AI chatbot which supports multiple languages. So let me ask him. Svenska. Handler. Contracted on. And we got answer in Swedish with a citation pointing to the exact section in the original document. Users can ask questions in any of the configured languages and get responses in that language. So the tool adapts to the team, not the other way around. And if we go back to the webpack properties, this is where you configure the languages, just add or remove what your team needs. Now, e-signature tab. Here we see documents from the library separated by views, unsigned, in progress, and signed. Signed documents can be viewed or downloaded right from here. And if we go to unsigned back, we can select one of the documents and place the signature. So everything is fine, continue to sign. Yeah. Let's select green. Or we can select a type. Let's go with classic, apply signature. Complete. Yes. So now our document is signed. This also works for external vendors. So let's select a document and send link to our external user. So the system generated a secure token-based URL, so a vendor can verify through email and sign without needing a SharePoint login. So let's go to this page. Okay, so here we can draw signature, same as we can do from our web part, or just select one. So let's sign a document. After signing, the document is automatically stored back into SharePoint with a full audit trail, timestamp, IP address, device information. Everything stays within the Microsoft ecosystem, no third-party sign-in subscriptions needed. And alerts. As we go through analysis and classification, Azure AI Foundry identifies issues with the contracts, duplicate agreements, high-risk clauses, and so on. All of these are compiled into one list on the Alerts tab, so the team always knows what needs attention and what to do about it. And here is what this means in practice. On the left is the traditional workflow. Hours of manual review, days waiting for signatures, additional costs for signing and translation services. On the right, with LegalLens, analysis happens in a couple of seconds, signing is fully digital with no third-party tools, and there are no additional licensing costs. Everything runs on the infrastructure you already have. The work, 25 years and still going strong, and with SPFx and Azure there is a lot more it can do. Thank you for watching!